Okay, stakeholders, category buyers, tier 1, tier 2. 3 different areas to enter into the supply chain. Number 1, your supplier diversity managers, again, the gatekeepers, will eventually get you in front of your category buyer. They're the people you want to go after. They will help you identify your entry position. Can I go direct as a tier 1? Possibly. It depends on your spend. It depends on your category fit. It depends on your size. The program that ORV is doing for P&G, they said 2 years, 250,000 minimum. And I can tell you I represented a couple of clients last year at the national conference, and I went around and asked that very question before I went up there and did the pre-marketing. What is the minimum number of years experience and sales in order to qualify tier 1 spot? I'm all about tier 1. I get tier 2 is out there, but I prefer to go tier 1. And it ranged anywhere from 250 to $1 million, and it really depends on the category. So that's a really key important question to ask when you get in front of your buyers. Let's talk about stakeholders. They are, again, mindset. They are your category buyers' clients. So again, whose reputation is on the line for the category buyer to then put you in front of their stakeholder? The buyer. So bring that to the table as you're entering and developing these relationships. Make sure that they understand that you get that, okay? Tier 1, Tier 2 is an interesting concept. I think Toyota does a great job every year. They fly in all of their Tier 1 suppliers from all over the United States. And there was probably, 200 of them this year? And again, if you've done your homework and you've built that relationship with the supplier diversity manager, they will literally take you by the hand and walk you directly over to their Tier 1 supplier and say, here you go. That's what your certification gets you. Can anybody else off the street get that? No.